analyzes each student's performance and tailors the curriculum accordingly. So a student who excels in math might be pushed to tackle more complex problems, while a student struggling with reading might receive extra help in that area. The benefits here are also evident. Personalized learning can lead to better academic outcomes and a more engaging learning experience. But again, challenges arise. There's the risk of over-reliance on AI, with students potentially losing out on the human touch that's so essential to learning. And, as with our previous case, trust is an issue. Can students, parents, and teachers trust in AI to guide a child's education? As these cases illustrate, the human-AI partnership can bring immense benefits but also pose significant challenges. The key is to navigate these challenges wisely, always remembering that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment and expertise. In the right hands and with the right approach, the human-AI partnership can truly shape a better future for us all. So what have we learned from our journey into the future of human-AI partnership? We've discovered that this emerging collaboration transcends the realms of science fiction and finds its place in our everyday lives. The key takeaway is the immense potential of AI to augment our human capabilities, making us better, faster, and more efficient. From healthcare to education, transportation to entertainment, AI's transformative power is revolutionizing sectors across the board. It's not about machines taking over. It's about machines helping us reach new heights, breaking barriers we couldn't even fathom. However, it's also clear that this journey isn't without its challenges. Ethical considerations, data privacy, and the digital divide are but a few hurdles we must overcome. But remember, these are not deterrents. They are opportunities for us to grow, learn, and adapt. The future of human-AI partnership holds great promise, and it's up to us to navigate this journey effectively.